All right, so today we're taking a look at some chargers, some Qi2 25W chargers that are extremely premium and are going to fast charge your Apple devices and some of your Android devices that may support Qi2 25W. And today we are taking a look at the Nomad Stand 1 Max as well as the Nomad Stand 1. Now, huge shout out to Nomad for sending these over to me to review for you guys. The price on the Stand 1 Max is $159, and the Stand 1 is $119. So let's go ahead and take a look. And of course, you know, all links are down in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. So taking a look at these two, this is the packaging for them. We'll unbox both of them. But one thing these do not come with, and that's right out the rip, is a USB-C adapter. Now, real quick, Nomad for $160 or $120, I think the adapter should be included in the box. I would say, even if it's not this slim one, whatever it is, put an adapter, I would say, in the box to make it that people don't have to spend even more money than $160 for the Stand 1 Max to get an extra $15 for the power brick. But it is what it is. This is what we have right now, so let's take a look. Now, first things first, let's go ahead and unbox the power brick because we're going to use this same one for both of these devices. So all you do, it comes out, this is a 40-watt power brick. It does come in carbide and silver, as do both of these chargers. These are the carbide colors. They also come in silver. But taking a look at this, you're just going to pull it out of the box, and this is what you get. So we'll just unbox this, and that's it. That's all you get in the box. So we'll go ahead and set this box off to the side. And this is the charger real quick, just taking a look. So it's this very nice slim charger here. You get the one USB Type-C port there and foldable prongs. So if you're traveling with this, you can just take it, put it in your pocket or your bag, whatever, and there you go. But when you need it, just take it, plug it in, and that is that. So let's set this off to the side for a second. We'll put this here, and let's start off with the Stand 1 Max. Now, taking a look at this, this is the packaging. It says Stand 1 Max 4th Gen 3-in-1 magnetic charger. It is Qi2 25W, and it is made for Apple Watch. You can also use your Android devices that don't even have to support Qi2 25W. You just plug them up as long as you have either a magnetic case, like a MagSafe case, or you have a device that has magnets built in. You can use this thing, whether it's for your device or even your earbuds. However, only Apple Watches will work on this. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, I have been using this for the last little while. Nomad, since they sent it over to me, I've been using it, testing both these chargers, but let's see what they look like. So that's the front of it. You get a little bit more information here on the back. So anyways, getting to the good stuff, man, it's a really nice packaging. That's one thing about Nomad. You're always getting some really nice things with it. So there you go. Here is our charger. This is going to be your phone charger here, your Apple Watch charger, and there is going to be a spot right here for some earbuds. Now, it also is going to come with a product manual and then your USB-C power cable, which is going to be a 2-meter long cable. So that's about 6 feet. So taking a look at this, very nice braided USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Where's the other end? There it is. So this is just what it's going to look like right here. Go ahead and get it out of the packaging there. Boom. Unwrap this thing, these little ties, and let's set that off to the side. All right, so unwrapping this cable, like I said, very nice premium braided cable. Let's go ahead and bring over this thing right here, the power brick, and let's plug it in and see how this charger is going to work. So there we go, we are all plugged in. Very nice, long, 6 foot, like I said, 2-meter cable. So we'll go ahead and plug this in right here on the back. There is the USB Type-C port. There we go. And we are ready to go. So let's go ahead and connect our devices. So we'll start off with our iPhone 17 Pro Max. We will attach that, and there we go. We are charging, and of course, it'll also work in your standby mode. So once you go ahead and lock it, there you go. It is on standby mode. So that is that. Let's go ahead and bring over my wife's Apple Watch. I know that the Apple Watch for the channel is coming at some point, maybe this year. Leave me alone. So we'll go ahead and put that on there. There you go. That is charging here as well. And last but not least, we'll bring over our AirPods Pro 3 and we will attach those right there. And that is charging as well. So all three devices are charging at the same time, all full power. You're getting the Qi2 25W charging on the device itself, on the iPhone, Apple Watch fast charging, and fast charging for your AirPods. So that's really nice right there. This is basically it, guys. This thing also is going to have some really good weight to it. So that's one thing I actually just want to show you guys. Let's bring over our scale here, and I'm actually just going to bring this into grams first, and then we'll even do pounds. That way you guys can see what I'm talking about. So it is going to weigh 858 grams. This thing is super premium. Premium fast charging, just like you guys saw in the title. Very, very premium device. It is heavy. When you pick up any of your devices, it will never lift up this charger. But just to show you guys what that's going to be in pounds, here, let's go ahead and switch. I think it's the first time we've ever done pounds on this channel. But this is going to be 1 pound and 14.3 ounces, almost 2 pounds of weight. So that's how you know this thing is going to feel super, super premium. But let's go ahead and just plug this back in one more time, and I'll show you. As you guys know, we also have the S26 Ultra. Now, it doesn't have those magnets built in. Shout out Samsung for that huge miss. It doesn't have it, so you're going to need a case that has them. But anyways, going to attach that right there. There you go. You are charging. Fast wireless charging right here. So there we go, that is that. And then also we have our Galaxy Buds that we can set down right here. And let me see, they are charging as well right there. I put them on backwards, but they are charging as well. So you can charge your Android devices right here as well. I don't believe this will support an Android watch though. I don't have any to test it, but this is specifically made for Apple Watch. However, if you do have an Android, you can use your phone here and your Galaxy Buds, for example, or other headphones, and that'll work just fine. So that's gonna be the Stand 1 Max, guys. This is made of metal and glass, super, super premium. When you pay that 160 bucks, I know it's a high price, but when you unbox this, when you feel it, you kind of understand that this is a premium product. You're getting extremely high quality, excellent build. This thing will last you a very, very long time. I have other Nomad Stand 1s and base ones from years ago that still work. So they stand the test of time. Let's go ahead and move on to the Stand 1. All right, so here's the Stand 1, very similar style packaging. Stand 1 magnetic charger, Qi2 25 watts. A little more information here on the back, and it's going to be about the same unboxing. It looks a little different, but it's about the same. So here is the charger itself. Looks exactly the same as the Stand 1 Max charger, just like that, but in a 2-in-1. The only difference is this one is not going to charge your Apple Watch. So for people like me who don't currently own an Apple Watch, this is perfect. I have an iPhone, I have AirPods, or I have an S26 Ultra, I have Galaxy Buds. This is it. This is all I really need. So taking a look at that, this is what you're going to get. Again, same excellent build quality. Very nice pad here on the bottom that's going to prevent it from slipping. And I also meant to show you guys, it's going to have it on the Stand 1 Max as well. This whole thing is a rubber pad. So if you put them down, they are not going anywhere. So setting that one back off to the side, here is the box, and in here is going to be your instructions and the cable as well. Now, I'm not going to open this up right now. I'll just use this cable, but it comes with the same exact cable, the 2 meter or 6 feet braided USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So let me just set this box off to the side now, and let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, let's weigh it and just compare to the Stand 1 Max, right? So right now, let's switch it back to grams real quick. And we're looking at 534 grams. So the Stand 1 Max, just to remind you guys, was 858 grams. So this one's a little bit lighter, and let's switch it over to pounds and ounces, and we're looking at 1 pound, 2.8 ounces. So again, super, super premium build quality. All metal, all glass, Qi2 25 watt charging. All the stuff I said about the Stand 1 Max applies exactly the same to this. The only thing you're missing is the Apple Watch charger. So let's go ahead and plug this one in now. Again, this one does not come with, I should mention as well, this one does not come with that 40 watt charging brick. Again, Nomad, please put something in the box to support these. For 120 bucks, 160 bucks, I think it should be included in the box. I'm here vouching for the people. So that is that. I have the same charger, same cable plugged in. Let's go ahead, and there we go. We'll attach our iPhone 17 Pro Max, and of course, same thing. If you switch it into landscape mode, it will activate your standby mode right there. Love that. I use standby mode every single night. And then where are my AirPods? Here we go. Take your AirPods, plug those up. As you guys can hear the chime and the charger, you guys can see that the light is on. Everything is charging at the same exact time. 25 watt charging on the iPhone, and then you do get the fast charging for the AirPods. But again, like I said, it's Android friendly. So we can go ahead and plug this up right here. There you go. It is wireless charging, fast charging there. And bringing over our Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, attach those. And let's see. I don't think they make a chime when they're charging, but they are charging. So as you guys can see, this thing will work for your Android phones, your iPhones, your Galaxy Buds, or other Android Buds, your Apple AirPods, anything. Really, you can probably put other devices on there that are small that can wirelessly charge. So that is going to be the Stand 1 Max and the Nomad Stand 1. Very, very premium products. I've been using Nomad chargers for years. I know the price is high, but in my opinion, they are worth it. If you spend the money, you really only ever have to get one, and this charger will last you years and years and years. So let me know what you guys think about them down in the comments below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see another really good Qi2 25W charging lineup, I'll leave that video right here.